Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some high-res in-ear monitor earphones. So we're gonna go ahead and check these out here. I'm opening up the box. Comes with little instructions on the loop over your ear. In here we have the headphones, it looks like, right here. Oops. Okay, looks like it comes with two of these little earphones here. One, two, and it comes with some extra little ear pads, I guess, for different sizes. And it even comes with a little clip. Oops, dropped that. They're kind of cool looking. They're kind of see-through, as you see. Kind of neat. Okay. And hopefully here we have the wire for it. Indeed we do. Okay. So here is our wire. So it's going to connect up with a 3.5 millimeter jack right there. So pretty standard for that. And then we have the plugs right here. So let's see if we plug those in. Guess it's gonna go, let me look at the instructions here and see which way it plugs in. It's hard to tell which is which. Okay. Oh, I guess they're the same. Nope. I guess it just goes in. So let's see. So we have this. Like that. So there. So that's what that looks like. So that'll be, that's this one. Wait. Sorry, trying to figure out which one goes to which. So if the loop goes this way, the earphone goes that way. So this is gonna be this ear right there, like that. There, oh, perfect, okay. So then this one here will be this way here. And then if it's gonna clip around that way, it's gonna go in there like so. There we go. Okay, so there, now I've got them together. And did I do this one? Oh, I must have done this one backwards or something. Oh, there we go. So it's gonna go in here. That one fits so good. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there. So now you can see how it is set up there with my ears. And I have my little 3.5 millimeter plug here. So let me go find something to plug it into. It won't plug into my iPad. I have to get a different device. Okay, so I gave this a try here. I have it hooked in. I just plugged it into my my little output of a Bluetooth speaker. Has an input and an output. I plugged it in there and I was able to listen. I guess you guys really can't listen too much, but it sounds really good. I mean, it sounds probably better than my AirPods or anything like that. I don't know. These are really high definition ones, I guess. But it sounded really good. It had bass, it had treble. When I played a video of me talking, it sounded great. I could hear it sounded like me. So I'm gonna say these are really nice. So if you need some good monitor earphones, these would be good to hook up to a soundboard or something like that too. The cord is nice and cool, and I like it. These ones here are very good. Thumbs up for sure.